Alright, so I'm going to once again open my Vex Robot C. I got to go this way and open it. It popped up over here just because that's why I did it. It's going to load up. It's going to take a minute. I'll drag it back on the screen, click it up there to open it. I'm going to go to open here. I'm going to open up my Vex Robot C. By the way, welcome back. Haven't had a video in a while. Just wanted to let you know I had a video in. So the first day code, you open that up. Alright, let's see how mine's completely written. I didn't finish the pseudocode here just for time's sake, but we all know what's going on here. So, reminder, right now I'd like you to go to the Vex, double check that both these are clicked on. Alright, if they're not, you'll run into errors. Many people had errors last class. Alright, today we're going to do a while loop. So it's going to be a while, and I don't even, to be honest, special. I don't even know why it's not a special. Setup? Yeah, I don't know where that would be located in the drag over menu, but you can easily type it in there. So it's while, and then you have to do a little regular parentheses here. 1 equals 1, okay? And remember the last class how many of you had issues because you didn't have the curly brackets, you deleted them? Well, the curly brackets hold the actual code in it, where the regular parentheses hold the condition. Okay, so I gotta just postpone this real quick. So the curly brackets right here will set up like that. So now we are holding that while 1 equals 1. Okay, so it's saying, well, while 1 equals 1, so that means 1 is always going to equal 1. So we set a condition here. So I could set while 1 equals 0, and I could have a count. And I'll show you that later on, but I like to use if-else loops, which we're going to learn next week. However, right now we're going to make a loop that is always true. So while 1 equals 1, 1 will always equal 1, right? And 1 will always not equal 0. So, and then we're going to put in until. So we're going to go here. I'll do a drag over this one. Minimize these because these get a little bit too much when you're opening. So we're going to go until, and you're going to drag over until touch, okay? Now, I last time went up here and copied and pasted it down here. You could do that. Then I ran into a problem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say until touch, and we'll do the bump switch. Bump. Beautiful. So it already pops it up. So it's going to say, well, we're going to wait. So waiting till touch switch. And then it's going to start rolling. And let's make it a little cooler this time. I spelled motor wrong. I know some people in 1B wouldn't be happy with that. We're going to put another wait in here just because who wants it to open at the same time? So start bonus motor. So wait 2 seconds. Alright, so we're going to wait 2 seconds. So we'll put a little pseudocode in here that says wait 2 seconds before turning on left motor. Okay, we're going to run the program for 5 seconds. So program 5 seconds. Okay. Now, after that's all done, you're going to go back up to that robot. You're going to download the firmware again. Okay, I don't have it plugged in. You're going to then go to compile program, and something could go wrong. Okay, and you need to read down to the bottom to figure out what went wrong. Let's just put an accidental error in there. All right, and that really annoying sound pops up, and it says undefined variable switch. So we know that we just deleted the B, go back up to compile program, and it would be like that. Now that's a red X, and your program will not run on a red X. However, many of you might have a yellow X. Your program will run on a yellow X because the computer is thinking itself, it's going, okay, well it says right motor like this, and I think that he meant to say this, so it's changing it, all right? But I like to fix it all, and you're going to want to fix it all before you turn it in. So you're going to read the errors compiler down here, and then you're going to fix it down there. So up top there, now this should run great. I'll plug it into that computer, I'll push down the robot, and it will work great. I don't have a robot plugged in right now, but that's a while loop for you. So once again, the condition will run while this condition, or the program will run while this condition is true. That's the key thing to know about the while loop. All right, And don't forget to house anything you want to happen in that while loop inside those curly brackets. Otherwise, print this off, turn this in. This will be your second lab. It's a while loop lab. All right, have a great day.